Hello everyone, welcome to Chalani Solutions. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how you can edit multiple images into your Photoshop. So for example, here I have five images just for this video. So if you have multiple images, that's ideal for this automation, because if you only have 5, you can edit it manually, but if you have more than maybe 10 or 20, this is the automation or the running of script is I suggest to use. So to do that, go to go to Windows and then Actions, and then you need to create. So this is the default, you can remove this one. So we need to create a new set. For example, edit images. Okay, so click OK, and then after that you need to create an action. So you can just put an action here, or you can put it rename it. So, and this is under edit images, the one that we've created. So record. So once it is already recording, this one, the red one, that is already recording, which means every action that you're going to perform in the Photoshop, it will be recorded here. But that is not included when you just click something, it will not be recorded, or select some menus, and that is not recorded. So first thing is to, let's stop this first. I will open the file. Okay. So, okay, let's start. So first thing, so for example, you need to change the background, all of your subtle image into white, right? So first action that we are going, so there is no action yet here. The first action is to click remove background. Okay, so as you can see, remove background has been recorded. Next is to select it. Okay, set selection, right click, fill, put some color. If your employer or client wants to make it white, just put white. Oh my god. So, Control Z. Let's stop and then remove this one. Fill. Okay. So let's record it again. Okay. Set selection. Okay, we've already done that one. This one. Click a new layer. Make a layer and then move it. Then move current layer. Then right click, fill. White. Okay, so that's it. So this gray, guys, this is for an image with not so difficult background like this. As you can see, it is still has room for improvements here. Yeah, so we need to edit that or more, but yeah, for this video, let's just keep that one. So after setting a white background, you can stop now. Stop. No, we will save it. Oh, you cannot, okay, we can save it. Click run again and then save. You need to save it as PSD, because if you save it as JPEG, it will not record here. So let's try. So see, the saving into PNG has not been recorded. So, but if we save it as PSD, see, it saves. Okay. So now we can stop. The actions has already been made, all actions. We can now stop. Okay. After that, close, and then you can try to clear that. So you can see this is the result. This is the result for the PNG, and this is the result for the saving of PSD. Okay. So let's run a script. Go to file, script, image, and then select the folder. This is the folder, desktop sample image. So desktop sample image, I would like to save it in the same location, and then I want to save it as PSD. Okay, select the run action, the edit image, select run. Saves a lot of time. I am unable to create a file in this folder. Okay, just click OK. Okay, and then we check it. So as you can see, it creates 5 PSD file. So we only have 3 files here. Juice 3. We don't have the juice 4. I'm not sure why, but as long as it's here, that's okay. So let's see. Oh, see, it is what. The problem here is you need to convert this to image, a JPEG, because the result is JPEG, PSD. So let's try to edit the action here. Let's try to remove the save. Okay, and then we will remove this one. Let's see the result. Okay. File. Right. Let's run a script without the saving action here. Try to make it a JPEG. Run. Okay, choose 1, 2, 3. The number 3 is gone. I think this is a bug. I think this is a bug. Okay. So let's try to save it as, let's try to edit the action, and let's save it as JPEG. I'm not sure if it will. Let's run. Let's add some action in saving. Save as. Oh wait. Export. Save as. I know. Let's just save as EST. Okay. Stop. Close. JPEG. So let's try to check. Okay, the PSD file is correct, but let's try. Okay, it's now complete. Maybe there's a bug sometimes. Sometimes it's not complete, sometimes it is. But yeah. That is how to edit multiple images. So this is only for simple backgrounds. I'm going to create another one for complicated background, another automation or action for difficult backgrounds. So that's it. I hope it helps. Please like and subscribe for more videos tutorial. Thank you.